It's a fresh week with a fresh crop of new airplanes in the BAS disassembly hangar. Check out what we're working on this week. First up, we have this Piper PA-32-301 Saratoga. Now this aircraft was delivered to us courtesy of a tornado. The tornado had all sorts of other plans for this airplane, but we'll still get a treasure trove of parts from it. It might look destroyed, but it's really not. There's a lot of airframe damage, but all the internal components, including the club seating, are ripe to go into another Saratoga. We'll get lots of goodies from this aircraft. The 300 horsepower Lycoming IO-540-K1G5 engine is available. This Saratoga had a Dynon Skyview 10-inch display. The ADS-B transponder is available, and the PMA 8000 BT audio panel. It's also got a Hartzell prop governor. This aircraft was equipped with an electronic magneto system from Electro Air. That'll be on our store very soon. And we'll get lots more from this aircraft, including the club seating, which is always a very hot item. Stick around, see what we strip down and showcase what's available. Perfect for keeping your Saratoga flying or giving your next project the boost that it needs. Next up, we have this Piper PA-28-181 Archer that got too close to a bigger bird. That's right, this aircraft was flipped over and totaled due to prop wash. That leads it to the disassembly hangar here at BAS Part Sales, and we're going to surgically disassemble this aircraft, so we have lots and lots of Archer parts coming up. While the airframe took a beating, there's still a ton of great parts to be salvaged from this Archer. We've got the Lycoming 0360 A4M engine with just 246 hours since overhaul and no prop strike. This Archer had a Uavionix TailBeacon. It's also got a King KX 170B with the Max 1700 conversion and a KLN 35A GPS. And lots more. This is a great parts donor, and we get lots of good stuff from it. Dave and the mechanics are already in disassembly mode, so if you need something, get in touch soon or check out our store for Piper Archer parts available for immediate shipping. Last up, we have this Robinson R44 Raven II helicopter. Now this bad boy suffered a rollover, which leads it to the shop here where it's being disassembled. We're already selling parts from this helicopter. It's been pretty popular. We have the engine available. We have all sorts of interior components available, all the seats, all the avionics, lots of goodies coming from this aircraft. This Robinson R44 Raven II helicopter is famous for its powerhouse 245 horsepower Lycoming engine. It's an IO-540. This helicopter also comes with wider rotor blades, and it performs outstanding at high altitude. This helicopter is packed with sought-after parts and components. We are already selling components from this unit, so if you need something, get in touch quickly. Everything else will be available on the store very soon. Get in touch with BAS Part Sales if you need Robinson R44 II parts and components.